Today our lesson is going to be about learning how to measure perimeter, understanding what perimeter is, and area, understanding how we calculate area. And we're going to be starting with perimeter and looking at a worksheet that I'll be handing out to the students. These are 3rd and 4th grade students. And this particular worksheet shows the different rectangular shapes. And they'll be measuring it in centimeters, which is the unit measure. Now sometimes they'll be also measuring perimeter using our US standard measurement of inches. So they need to be aware of the rulers that they're using to show either a centimeter or inches. Now each shape is a different size rectangle. And what I would tell them is there are times, particularly on tests, which tend to throw the students off, where they'll just be given 2 of the sides measurements. So they have to understand that because there are 2 parallel sides, that they can use the same amounts for both the same size to add them up. Then we'll go into area, and this is the worksheet that they'll be working with. This shows you square units. Each of these, again, rectangular geometric shapes shows the square units that they would count. This is a simpler way of finding area for you students. And you would just count each box and that would total up your area. Later on we would go into the length of the shape and the width, and then they would realize that you'd have to multiply length times width to find the area. There's a great site online called ilovemyteaching.com, and it gives you a hands-on, or I should say feet-on, approach to finding both the perimeter and area. You take a space in the classroom and just cordon it off and then have the kids kind of move within the space of that shape, and that would give you the area, and then we would walk around the outside and measure that, and that would be the perimeter. So it's a great site, great supplement to sitting in the classroom and just measuring. You can really do physical feet-on work.